All right, here are the doors. We talked about them, and doors, hardtop sides, and other various and sundry larger pieces. Tire carrier, header bar. All these pieces right here will go to the aluminum oxide blaster, and they'll be, we call it sandblasting, but there's different types of media out there. There's sand, there's aluminum oxide, there's walnuts, there's plastic, there's glass. And our media blaster, we'll call it that, has the option of doing a couple different things, so we'll let them decide how they want to remove the finish off this. And then once that's done, we get it back and do some light body work. The nice thing about this is, look at that hardtop right there. Typically we call this the very first bolt. This is upside down where the ambulance door is. This typically rusts out right here completely. You can see that it's absolutely perfect. I mean, you don't find tops like this very often, hardtop sides. You can see some very minor surface rust here, and I mean surface, and a little surface rust there. This will clean up nice. Somebody has done some work in here at some point in time, some pretty poor welding. We're going to readjust that and grind that down. The other one has not had any work, but for the most part, these are in fine shape and will clean up very nicely. Tire carrier. Typically you have some, we've seen issues with tubes and tire carriers where they just rust out. This is in very fine shape. We might require us to do a little rebuilding on the bushing here, as well as the bushing there and there, which that ultimately when you put it back on, if you're going down the road with a bad bushing tire carrier, it rattles and goes throughout the whole truck. We try to make sure that that's in fine shape. And same thing with door bottoms are in good shape. All the weather stripping has been stripped off, gutted of regulators, door panels, other type of runs, felt runs, things of that nature, glass.